Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, wrapping up a historical weather day, this record high temperature that we broke today stood for 114 years, 64 degrees. I love this New Bedford weather camera, especially this shot and this time of day. Look at that. That is just so pretty. Temperatures now, nice. It's still mild. Obviously it's cooled off since this afternoon, but we're well above freezing in the upper 40s to low 50s. But, cold fronts come through, so these temperatures are going to go down. You're going to grab a warm jacket for tonight as it will head into the 30s, and we're looking good in Lincoln as well with clear skies. Temperatures now range from 48 in Burrillville, still in the 50s in many areas, including New Bedford, still at 59, Plymouth 57, out towards the Vineyard, checking in now at 54 degrees. So our threat tracker tonight, Saturday and Sunday remains low. Kind of kick back and relax. Nothing really high impact, no big storms on the way. There'll be an ocean storm Sunday night, but it stays far enough offshore so that all we do is get grazed with maybe later Sunday night, Monday morning, a little bit of rain along the south shore. But the Sunday day is looking pretty good. So we are cooler to colder for tonight. Nothing that unusual. And again, it's a mainly dry weekend. A lot of sunshine on Saturday. Watching Sunday night, not that we're overly concerned about something significant happening, but we will get grazed with a little light rain late Sunday night, Monday morning, South Shore, especially out towards Southeastern Mass and the Cape, and it'll start things off damp a little bit early on Monday morning. But skies are tranquil across New England. Cold front now is well offshore, so behind that it is a gradual flow of cooler air that'll filter down this evening and into the overnight hours. In fact, it's winter across the Great Lakes, Buffalo and upstate New York with snow squalls, so an indication of some of the cooler air that's headed our way this weekend. But it's certainly not overly cold. We take a look at the forecast now, and we're going to take you all the way up until Monday morning. We'll start off this evening, and you get skies that are clear this evening and overnight, and it turns colder. Now, looking good tomorrow afternoon. Sunny skies. Look at all of this real estate where it's clear and dry. We got temperatures generally between about 40 and 45 Saturday afternoon to Saturday night. Moonlit skies, a little colder, temperatures down in the upper 20s to low 30s. Sunday day looks good. In fact, this is Sunday morning, sunshine. You can clearly see a pretty expansive storm system near the Carolinas and the Mid-Atlantic coast. This precipitation is well to our south. In fact, here's the leading edge. Let's take it to Sunday afternoon at around 2 o'clock. It's still out towards New Jersey. So we are dry. Some clouds will be on the increase. Now, late Sunday night, early Monday morning, as this storm pulls offshore, just the northern fringe is going to graze the South Shore, especially the Cape and Islands, with a little bit of rain into early Monday morning. This should pull away Monday afternoon. We'll start to see a little clearing later in the day. We'll backtrack to this evening and overnight with clear skies. The furnace will kick on a little bit compared to last night when it was in the 50s. By daybreak tomorrow, it's in the lower 30s. Good deal of sunshine. We do the math, it's 20 degrees cooler, so a little closer to where we should be for this time of year, but a nice day. And then tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, it looks pretty good. Right, forecast for tonight under moonlit skies by 11 o'clock, 37. So if you're out late, you definitely need a warmer jacket. Both tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon, looking good. By the afternoon hours, temperatures somewhere between about 40 and 45. All right, 7-day forecast. Again, quiet for tonight, looking good for Saturday. Sunday, not bad, partly sunny skies. Temperatures actually milder in the upper 40s. A little bit of rain late Sunday night, early Monday morning. Early call on Valentine's Day Tuesday. Sunshine and nice with the temperature coming in at 47. And note the temperatures next week, once again, are running well above average for this time of year. So overall, a decent weekend coming up, kind of relaxing, no big impacts with any stormy weather, so not bad.
That's certainly good news. And as you mentioned, Tony, another mild stretch ahead.
Yeah, we came off a very warm January. So far, 70% of February so far has been above average. The lack of snow, we don't see much snow in that 7-day forecast.
Well, winter is not over yet.
There's always March.
There's always March.
Yeah.
Tony, thanks. We have more coverage you can count on.